Meaning of harassed.
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 Harassed. The term harassed refers to a situation where someone is subjected to repeated and unwanted behavior from another person, which causes them emotional distress, discomfort, or humiliation. Harassment can include verbal abuse, physical aggression, sexual harassment, stalking, bullying, and discrimination. The effects of harassment can be severe and long-lasting, leading to anxiety, depression, social withdrawal, and loss of self-esteem. It is important to take harassment seriously and seek help if you feel you are being harassed, as no one should have to endure this kind of treatment.